I accidentally typed password into bash command line. I accidentally typed my password into bash command line, mistaking the last login column ... line for wrong password. I was in a hurry. What do I do to cover my trace? What I did was editing .bash_history and deleting the offending line. Had to relog in once to see the password appear in the file so I could delete it, and relog in again to see it disappear from the history available under up arrow key. Is there any other place where the command history could be saved? The system is CentOS 6.5.
You can remove just the offending line from Bash's history, instead of clearing the entire history. Simply remove the line with the D flag, then save, write, the new history with the W flag.
There are two parts to this. Bash stores the history in a file, ~bash_history, which is, by default, written to at the end of the session. The history that is kept in memory. To be safe, you need to clear it from the session and truncate the history file as needed. If your session in which you typed the password is still open, then another way to cover your trace is to set the hist file variable to the null device so that the history would not be written to ~bash_history when the session exits.
Since Bash, at least all historic and current versions I'm aware of, does not automatically save history until you exit, a generally applicable strategy when you have typed a command that you want to ensure never gets saved is to immediately type. This kills the shell with sigkill, which can't be caught, so the shell has no way to save anything on exit. Most other approaches involve scrubbing after the fact, i.e. after the data has already hit the disk, which has a lot more chance for error, missing a copy, especially if the system might be using BTRFS or similar.
My favorite trick for this is to hit the up arrow, backspace over the command, type something, might not be necessary, hit the down arrow, type ls, and hit enter. Feels really hokey, but it actually works. Found this out when I got annoyed after editing the wrong command in my history and then ruining it by not hitting Ctrl+C to abort the edit. I guess Bash supports revisionist history. Smile. Looks like.
Unforgiving.